Welcome back, and today we'll be looking at Beldum, Metang, and Metagross. Beldum is the first stage of this evolutionary line and is a small and simple Pokemon that resembles a magnetic robot and a dumbbell. It has a single red eye and a claw-like appendage on each end of its body. Beldum's design is inspired by its steel and psychic typings as well as the concept of telekinesis. Telekinesis is the ability to move objects with one's mind, which is often associated with psychic phenomena. Beldum uses its magnetic force to communicate and levitate, and it can also manipulate metal objects with its mind. Beldum can only evolve when it is in a group of at least two, and it fuses with another Beldum to form a Metang. This is similar to how some real-life organisms such as slime, molds, and bacteria can aggregate and form multicellular structures. Metang is the second stage of this evolutionary line. It is formed when two Beldum fuse together. It has a larger and more angular body with 2 arms and 2 legs. It also has 2 red eyes and a cross-shaped mark on its face. The design of Metang still incorporates elements that resemble mechanical parts, which could be inspired by various machinery or robotics in the real world. It is angular design and metallic body, containing the theme of industrial mechanical influence. Its cross-shaped mark could also be a reference to the cross product, which is a mathematical operation that involves vectors and angles. This could relate to Metang's psychic typing as well as its ability to manipulate magnetic fields. It's also worth noting that Metang's design represents the intermediate stage between Beldum and Metagross, showing a progression in complexity and size. This could be seen as a reflection of how machines or robots may be built and developed in stages in the real world. Metagross is the final stage of this evolutionary line. It is formed when 2 Metang fuse together. It is a massive and formidable Pokemon that resembles a 4-legged spider-like robot. It has 4 red eyes and a large X-shaped cross on its face. It can perform complex calculations and analyze situations in an instant, and it can also communicate telepathically with other members of its kind. Metagross's design is heavily influenced by its steel and psychic typings as well as its evolutionary process. It retains the robotic and magnetic themes from its previous forms, but also adds some new elements that reflect its enhanced abilities and status. One of the most noticeable features of Metagross's design is its large X-shaped cross on its face, which may draw inspiration from the largest gear of the anti-cathera mechanism, an ancient analog computer. This could be a nod to Metagross's high intelligence and its psychic typing. The anti-cathera mechanism is known for its complex use of gears, mirroring the complex nature of Metagross's evolution from Beldum and Metang. To evolve Beldum into Metang, you need to level it up to level 20. To evolve Metang into Metagross, you need to level it up to level 5. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy.